Which state declared heat waves as a state-specific disaster in early 2025? Answer: Telangana. What is the name of the US airstrike operation against Iran in 2026? Answer: Operation Epic Fury. What does the Sadhana Saptah 2026 initiative relate to? Answer: Modernizing civil services under Mission Karmyogi. Which state leads in training women SHGs under the Namo Drone Didi Yojana as of April 2026? Answer: Maharashtra. Where did the 7th National Sub-Junior Boxing Championship start in April 2026? Answer: Nagpur. What initiative did the Union Ministry for Science and Technology launch at SIFTRI in April 2026? Answer: the Birak BioNest Incubation Center. When is National Maritime Day observed in India? Answer: April 5th. Rule of Law Index 2025 India's rank? Answer: 27th. Google Space-based AI project November 2025. Name? Answer: Project Moonbeam. Who is the first state to conduct plastic waste brand audit 2025? Answer: Punjab. Who is the Judo Junior World Championship 2025 medalist? Answer: Linthoi Channambam. India's indigenous mobile operating system has been developed by IIT Madras. What is the name of mobile operating system? A. BharatOS, B. HindOS, C. MobileOS, D. BharOS. Answer: D. BharOS. What is the name of the ChatGPT style service set to be launched by the Bharat GPT group? A. Avatar, B. Hanuman, C. Chatur, D. Chanakya. Answer: B. Hanuman. Which ministry has released the report titled The Indian Economy, a Review in January 2024? A. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, B. Ministry of Finance, C. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, D. Ministry of Labor and Employment. Answer: D. Ministry of Finance. Which of the following players clinched the 2023 FIFA Best Men's Player Award? A. Kylian Mbappe, B. Erling Haaland, C. Pep Guardiola, D. Lionel Messi. Answer: D. Lionel Messi. Which city of the Uttar Pradesh will become the aviation hub? A. Noida, B. Meerut, C. Ghaziabad, D. Lucknow. A. Noida. Ken-Betwa link canal passes through which national park? A. Bandhavghat National Park, B. Kanha National Park, C. Panna National Park, D. Pench National Park. Answer: Panna National Park.
Thank you for watching this video.